Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're exploring the legendary Honda VFR750R, also known as the RC30. This iconic sport bike became famous for its racing success, cutting-edge engineering, and timeless design. Engine and performance. The Honda VFR750R is powered by a 748 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V4 engine that delivers around 112 horsepower. With smooth power delivery, quick acceleration, and a high-revving character, it was built to dominate both the road and the racetrack. Design and features. The RC30 features lightweight bodywork, a single-sided swing arm, gear-driven camshafts, and premium suspension. Every detail was engineered for speed, stability, and precision handling, making it one of Honda's most celebrated motorcycles. Legacy. Even decades after its release, the Honda VFR750R remains one of the most collectible sport bikes ever built. Its racing heritage, limited production, and exceptional performance continue to make it a dream machine for motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide. Conclusion. Thanks for watching King Bike. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing motorcycle content.